Hello my friends, if you are hungry, you are in the right channel today. Let me show you what we will need really today. I will start with this. This is the most important. We will need a red potato or any other potato. Other things we will need, no necessary, but I like it. It's carrots. Carrot is great for your health. Other things will be some meat, and this meat for me it's today beef, Polska kielbasa or sausages. You can use any other brand, it depends what you like. Other things it's parsley, because this is something what we use for better taste. And also, if you like, will be some garlic and of course some oil. This is the things what I will need today. I hope so I don't forget about anything. And of course salt and pepper. This is always really necessary when you are cooking. Let me start with preparing the food and start cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit, or if you in Europe to 200 Celsius, and let it warm it up. Press start and you almost ready with cooking and with starting. After that we will start with preparing the potatoes for baking. You will open the bag, same like me, maybe a little bit better, and start peeling the potato. We don't have to really remove the skin, but I like to remove all the really good looking parts, like things like that. When you eat, you don't have time for that. And after I do this, I just cut the potatoes for some size like that, but will be easy to cook. Once I have everything like that, I will put it in my bowl and continue with other potatoes. It really depends on you how much you will need. For one person, two person, three person, I don't have idea. You know how you eat. When you are done with that, you can put everything in your skillet or baking sheets. Put it on the oven, but don't rush, step by step. I will explain to you what to do next. When you are done, don't forget to wash the potato. Oops, one stay here. Don't forget to wash the potato really well, because this is what you will eat. When you are done, just turn the water off and let it dry. I am using the bowl, and I will wait until dry. In the time when it's drying, I will put some oil on my baking pan. After the potato is dry, I will put potato inside to the fry pan. You can little bit help to potato dry with the paper towel. After it's done, you just put the potato on the frying pan, put some salt and pepper. It was really up to you how much you like, but it's still not really emergency time right now, because you can add more later. When everything is ready, you can put it inside in the oven and let it bake for 20 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Potato is now going to the oven, and we have time to continue with slicing the sausage and clean the carrots and parsley. Some garlic if you like it. It's really up to you. Okay, let me put this in the oven and we will continue. When everything is in the oven, we will slice the sausages on, let's say, half-inch thick circle. This will be ready after, how I said before, after 20 minutes, when potato will be little bit softer and will when it's almost in halfway to cooking. I don't know how much sausage you like. It really depends if you are a meat lover or not. You can always add more later, and depends it's for how many people you are preparing the dinner or lunch. I will also slice my carrot for pieces, something like that. Really depends how large is the carrots, because it's very important, have to be cooked together with your potato. You know, I think the stick like that can works for anybody. You will love it, and I'm talking about the carrot. It's really healthy and will taste great. It's replacing really the salad or something what you eat with your dinner. If you are a garlic lover like me, don't forget about few cloves from garlic, because this will make great smell and will be a little bit healthy balance for the sausages. And also make sure you have some parsley ready before the potatoes. It's in the first half after 20 minutes, because this is the time when we will need it. Chop everything really well to small pieces, because it looks nice and cute when it's sticking to the potato and sausages, and also it's definitely good and healthy food with nice taste. You can also use some dill or also cilantro. It really depends what you like from this green stuff from the nature. We will continue and put everything together and put it back in the oven. Hello my friends, I am already back and I will talk to you very soon. Let me just take out the potato from the oven. It was in the oven right now around, it was basically 25 minutes. Everything is really hot. Don't forget, take something like me when you want hold the pan. Next step is really adding sausages and carrots inside. I put it was will be really a lot, but it's good for 2-3 people, I'm sure. If you take it like snack or very light dinner, definitely you can cover 3 people. But I said always you can add more, and you can put more carrots or more sausages or more potato. It's absolutely on you. After this is done, I will put some parsley, but I will not really use all, because I like put some fresh parsley on the top after it's done, because fresh, it's always the fresh. Okay, let me put everything back to the oven and wait other roughly 20 minutes. Okay guys, the waiting is over, and the meal, lunch or dinner for family or for you, it's already here. I have to just update, because it's really better if you put the carrot with potato in right in beginning, and after first 30 minutes you will add the other, like the sausages and the parsley, because when you do this, everything will be much better, and the carrots will be softer, how you can see, and sausages have better and bigger, better color, and of course also taste. Oh, sorry about that, but let me put everything on the plate and I will start eat. Now, I told you in beginning, save some parsley to the end, because it's really great when it's fresh. And what you need is these tools, and I think that's it. You are ready to go, and you can eat and enjoy with your family or with just yourself. Depends if you're cooking for more people or just for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope so I will see you very soon in other great and tasteful recipe.